Hello everyone, we are from Government College of Technology, Coimbatore. The product that we have designed is dual powered multi-purpose emergency kit with ham radio receiver. A problem domain is related to hydrometeorological disasters. During such disasters like floods, the victims mainly suffer from unavailability of electricity and poor communication. Reports say that power shutdowns can also last for a week or more. Due to various reasons, at some times, cell phone towers won't be reliable and so there will be a lack in communication. So our objective is to provide solution for these problems. The product that we have designed helps in charging cell phones and would also act as a communication device to receive information from authorities and other sources at crisis through ham radio receiver. A torchlight could also be added to this product. Our product is powered by the available energy sources at that time. This is the initial setup of the product. This is the input side and this is the storage side. The input side consists of a high torque stepper motor and a 1.3 watt solar panel, and the storage side consists of two 500 farad supercapacitors which I have connected in series. Now the input from these two sources is led through the filtering circuit, which in turn charges the supercapacitors, which can hold a voltage up to 6 volt. Now I have charged the supercapacitors throughout the day with these two sources, and now I'm going to check the voltage across the supercapacitors with the help of the multimeter. And now it would measure approximately to 5.5 volts. This is the application side of the product. The charge from the supercapacitor is made use by these three applications. The first one is a ham radio receiver, which consists of a ham radio circuit with mixer, an audio amplifier, a speaker and a quarter wavelength antenna that is 52 centimeters. Now we are receiving noise because there is no transmission of 144 MHz signal currently. And the second application is nothing but a torchlight, which is controlled by a switch. And the third application is charging a mobile phone. The hardware required for the source is a 5 watt stepper motor, 1.3 watt solar panel, and for the charging circuit, Scotty diodes as rectifier, 1000 microfarad 50 volt capacitors for filter, and for the protection circuit, Xeno diodes of 2.7 volt rating, and for storage, 3 volt 500 farad supercapacitors, 2 numbers. The application side requires LEDs, USB port, 1619 FM receiver circuit with SA612A VHF mixer so that you can receive 144 MHz signal, and an audio amplifier circuit and other miscellaneous tools. The circuit connections are quite simple, so it won't take much time to assemble the product in large scale. These components are easily available in the market, so we can purchase in large quantities. The finished product can be distributed to the victims while supplying food packets through helicopters during disasters. Thank you.